White box versus black box algorithm, which will survive widespread market adoption? Some say white box algorithms will dominate because transparency builds trust, while others argue black box models will win through raw predictive power, even if nobody knows what's happening inside. And now, we are stepping into one of the most anticipated clashes of this debate competition. Semifinal Eliminator 2 is coming up. A showdown between Instructor team versus customer service team. The teams will be battling for a place in the grand finale, 23rd December Tuesday at 7 p.m. Meanwhile, Dozen Diamonds celebrates a major milestone. Its RA license is officially approved. So join us, engage, and bring your toughest questions. White box versus black box algorithm, which will survive widespread market adoption? 23rd December Tuesday at 7 p.m. Debate link is in the description.